organize your thoughts and speak English with confidence. Are you ready? Here we go. Ecological problems are urgent. Our nature is in danger. Look, people don't take proper care of it. Air is polluted by smoke from traffic. And factories. Trees are cut down. There are some reasons. People clear the land for the new constructions. Illegal logging is harmful to the forest. Oh no! Forest fires is a big damage for forest. Hurry up! He did it! Litter is left in the forest. Look. It's harmful to the forest. No. There's no secret. Plastic waste is harmful for forest. Get out of here! Animals are hurt. Poachers wants to earn good money. And they catch magnificent predators. People usually kill animals for food. People clear the land and destroy habitats for animals. Antarctic seals suffer from global warming. Big factories dump industrial waste into the river. Look! Oh no! They poison the water and fish die. Can we save our planet? Should we control air pollution? Should we stop illegal logging? No. Should we protect animals? seals. Should we recycle the litter? Should we purify the water and save the fish? You can and will. Let's do it together. Leave your comments and subscribe. Bye bye.